We about to go see the 20-acre property yard tour. All right, y'all, we at the 20-acre property now. Y'all quick glance. Also, it's sitting with a 1-acre lake. It's nice. Got the fish feeder over there too. Let me give y'all a little tour over here. Pond getting filled up right now as we speak from nature. Nice little stream in the pond. Water sitting a little low right now. Woo! Yeah, this gonna be full in no time. All these fish in water, and the pond is stocked also, or the lake, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna call it a lake. Already stocked with fish. We got the fish feeder right here. 1-acre lake. We got big plans for this property. I'm gonna take you over there shortly. We got the fruit trees. Nice 20 acres. Give y'all some more angles of the property. I'm on the dam right now. I need to put a shooting range over here ASAP. So you run off. Nice little slope over here. So it's 2 wells on the property, powered by solar. See one of the solar panels right there. Nice mature trees, a couple of the open plots. This property will also be coming to the channel soon. We're gonna fix up the 100-year-old abandoned farmhouse first. Then we're gonna get started over here. I'm not gonna give y'all no clues what's going on over here until we start. But just know it's big plans. Look at this. Nothing but space. Nothing but space. Right here is the solar. We had the water pumping into the pond, but we don't need that no more, right on? All this rain gonna fill this up in no time.
Oh shit.
No sun. So we got the fruit trees right here. What all fruit trees out here, Aunt?
Apple trees, pear trees, plum trees, grapes.
Got the grapevines over here.
Got pears.
Live off the land over here, huh?
Bunch of land. We already ate fruit off the trees.
Oh, already?
Already had fruit.
And you went fishing out here too, huh?
Yeah, I already caught a couple fish. See little pears left on the tree.
Oh, yeah?
Pear tree.
Little dried out pears. Big plans, y'all, big plans. Still a couple ones up here. All these fruit trees, we can eat straight off the trees once they get a little bigger, mature.
Living off the land.
Living off the land, yup. Just put the chicken coop out here, huh?
Yeah, for sure.
Be all good.
There's gonna be more chicken. Guaranteed. We're gonna have to have a good ass coop so we get some wild shit out here.
Oh, yeah.
Peach tree right there.
Oh, that peach tree. Georgia peach, huh?
Sir, you got to have peach trees in Georgia.
Mm-hmm.
Peach tree. That's an apple right there. You can tell that much.
Apple tree. That's it for the 20-acre property. Hopefully y'all enjoy the video.